In this presentation, we will discuss about coordinate system. To go ahead, at first we have a question like, what is coordinate system? A coordinate system is a method for identifying the location of a point on the Earth. We already have known what is coordinate system. Now, there are some well-defined paths to find location of a point. Here we have find some well-defined and commonly used coordinate systems like number line, Cartesian coordinate system, polar coordinate system, cylindrical and spherical coordinate systems, homogeneous coordinate system, and other commonly used coordinate systems like curvilinear coordinate systems, etc. We will discuss about those coordinate systems in a successive way. At first, we will discuss about number line. A number line is a simple way to find location of a point on Earth. It is the simplest example of a coordinate system is the identification of points on a line with real numbers using the number line. In the systems, an arbitrary point O, which is called the origin, is chosen on a given line, and if we move right side from O, it will represent the positive numbers, and if we move left side from O, it will represent negative integers. A number line is used to find location through a single way or single dimension or single axis. Previous slide we discussed about number line, and from now we will discuss about Cartesian coordinate system. Cartesian coordinate system is the prototypical example of a coordinate system. A two-dimensional surface which has a length and width is called plane. In the plane, two perpendicular lines are chosen and the coordinates of a points are taken to be the assigned distance to the lines. In 3 dimensions, 3 mutually orthogonal planes are chosen and the 3 coordinates of a points are assigned distance to each of the planes. In a 2D surface, the intersecting point of two perpendicular lines is called origin, and in the 3D planes, the intersecting points of 3 mutually orthogonal lines is called the origin. This can be generalized to create n number of coordinates for any point in n number dimensional Euclidean space. Now we will discuss about polar coordinate system. System is another common coordinate system for the plane. A point is chosen as the pole and a ray from this point is taken as polar axis. Then there is a unique point on line whose signed distance from the origin is r for given number. For a given pair of coordinates r, theta, there is a single point, but Any point is responsible by many pairs of coordinates. For example, r theta plus 2 pi, etc. Now we will discuss about cylindrical and spherical coordinate system. There are two common methods for extending the polar coordinate system to three dimensions. In the cylindrical coordinate system, a z-coordinate with the same meaning as in Cartesian coordinate is added to r and theta polar coordinates, giving a triple r, theta, and z. Spherical coordinates take this step further by converting the pair of cylindrical coordinates rz to polar coordinates rho theta, giving a triple rho theta phi. Coming back to the point with orthogonal curvilinear coordinate system. An orthogonal curvilinear coordinate system is a coordinate system in which each family of surface intersects the others at right angles. In other words, the coordinate lines are mutually perpendicular. This type of coordinate system is useful in many applications, including physics and engineering. In a curvilinear coordinate system, the coordinate lines may be curved. Orthogonal curvilinear coordinates are a special case of curvilinear coordinates in which the coordinate lines are mutually perpendicular. The formalism of curvilinear coordinates provides a unified and general description of the standard coordinate system. Curvilinear coordinates are often used to define the location of or distribution of physical quantities which may be, for example, scalar, vectors, or tensors. Here we will change the axis to simplify the geometric shapes. In mathematics, change of axis is a technique used to simplify the representation of a geometric object. It involves replacing the original coordinate system with a new one that is better suited to this problem at hand. The new coordinate system is obtained by rotating, reflecting, or translating the original axis. In two-dimensional geometry, a change of axis can be used to simplify the representation of a curve. For example, if a curve is not suited conveniently with respect to the axis, the coordinate system can be changed to place the curve at a convenient and familiar location and orientation. In mathematics, coordinate transformation is a technique used to simplify the representation of a geometric object. It involves replacing the original coordinate system with a new one that is better suited to the problem at hand. The new coordinate system is obtained by rotating, reflecting, or translating the original axis. Coordinate transformation are used in many areas of mathematics and physics, including geometry, calculus, and linear algebra. They are also used in computer graphics and computer vision to transform the image and visual data. There are many types of coordinate transformations, including polar coordinates, spherical coordinates, and cylindrical coordinates. Each type of coordinate transformation has its own set of rules and formulas for converting between the original and new coordinate system.